While we're likely to pounce on an unauthorized $200 charge on our cell phone or credit card bill, there are lots of other ways money leaves our wallets without us even realizing it. Consumer spending expert Andrea Wurich outlined these spending areas prone to leaks and how to stop them. Expired food. Overbuying at the grocery store can lead to waste if those fresh foods go bad before you have a chance to eat them. Always meal plan before shopping to help you eliminate excess grocery purchases, and look for recipes that use overlapping ingredients. Not comparing prices or missed savings. Some retailers inflate prices to make discounts look better than they actually are. Comparing prices with a shopping website before buying something helps you realize these fake discounts. Useless bank fees. You're chipping away at your net worth every time you use an out-of-network ATM, and every time you overdraw your account, or any time you dip below your minimum balance. According to Bankrate's annual checking survey, transferring your checking account to a local credit union will wipe away these useless fees. Name brands. Generally, there's zero to not much difference between a name brand product and a generic one, except perhaps up to half the price. The best products to buy generic include prescription meds, over-the-counter meds, baby formula, cereal, baking products, herbs and spices, razors, body soap and lotion, and ink cartridges, to name a few. Paying for things you don't use. Are you paying for full-spectrum cable but only watching a few shows? How about a gym membership you only use sometimes, if at all? And are you maxing out the data allotment in your phone plan, or paying for overages? If you're not, then you're giving away money. Take the time to calculate what you actually use and do what you can to pay for just that. Spending beyond your means. Using a credit card without rewards isn't a smart move, but using them to live beyond your means is the most foolish mistake of all. If this sounds familiar, consider making a lifestyle change to get your finances back on track. Procrastinating. There are last-minute deals to be had, but not as many as you might think. Whether you're booking travel or considering opening an emergency savings, putting off planning can cost you dearly.